practice, but in case you are missing it the first time. Okay. Today we are supposed to be having the bead cabinet and uh, huh? No, yes, that's under literacy anyway. But under literacy, we are supposed to be having this bead cabinet and then the what is it called? The checkers board. Thank you very much. The checkers board. Okay. But because of some of us here that probably have challenges using some other materials, I would like to start mentioning the name of the material from behind. So if there's any material you want us to use here, we'll use it in just 5 minutes. 5 minutes. So that we will have time, because this will take most of our time. So that's why I want it just 5 minutes. So let's start from the shape board. For numeracy, we should start from the shape board, because you should introduce children to shapes before introducing them to numbers. So let's start from the shape board. Mr. Madare was showing the shape board the other time. The shape board consists of 4 different shapes. You have the circle, you have the triangle, you have the rectangle and the square. So I don't know, do you have anybody that have not been able to use it here? Apart from those new set of students. I mean, your people there. Don't worry about it. I'm not used to shape board before. On the okay, this is what you do. Now the shape board itself is going to be placed on the material, on the sand tray, and then use the hand to trace around. If it's circle, if it is square, they trace around the shape, the particular shape on the sand tray. On the sand tray, because it is believed that as at that then they don't have writing anything on the book with their pencil, so they are supposed to use the sand tray then. So then that moves us to sandpaper the number. I believe we are all being introduced to sandpaper number. You cannot. So how was he not able to come other this thing? Can he write straight down? He can write letter. Well, that means he can write straight down. He can write dash. So to make a square and a rectangle, straight down and dash is needed. So you have already make a square, you have already make a rectangle. So if you can write 9, if you can write 6, so what is it difficult to write circle? If you can write 4, if you can write 7, so what's difficult to write a triangle? So the only problem I think is not about him not able to write the shape. The thing is that he can't identify those shapes. It's not because he cannot identify them. So if you ask him to draw circle, because he don't know circle, so he will not know what to draw. Not because he cannot draw it. So what he should work on is the identification of those shapes. So all right, let's look at the other one is the sandpaper number, as I said earlier. I believe we have been introduced to the sandpaper number. Okay, and we are going to be looking at the addition board. And I don't know if you have anybody here that has not been able to use the addition board. Okay, apart from Mrs. Another person. How is that for them? Okay, let's. No. That's why I've already mentioned that your class is not involved. No, I've already mentioned from the beginning. You are with that woman at the back, Abi. You are together now. So I've already said you are not involved. You are not. Don't worry, you are not involved. It's going to be this particular class is going to be taking it to you guys separately. So it's just addition. Don't worry. Please, this is the addition board. This is called number rod. Is what? All right. No, don't worry, I'll come. Where you want to? I'll still get there.
Sandpaper number, the presentation, is it on Sanskrit?
Yes, when you are presenting, hello, please. When you are presenting sandpaper number, when you are presenting, immediately you present, you introduce the child to the sandpaper number. Where is the teacher supposed to be writing it? On the sand tray. So as they are tracing on the sandpaper number, they are going to be transferring on the sand tray because it is believed that their sand tray is their notes, where they are transferring the knowledge they have acquired from the sandpaper number to sand tray, sandpaper number to the sand tray, sandpaper number to the sand tray. And I said that every child in your class is supposed to have, if you are in the nursery session, in the nursery maybe, I don't know what grade they say, but age 3, 4 and so on. Every child in your class is supposed to have sand tray until they are able to write from A to Z, 1 to 0 to 9 without any stress. By the time they get to 0 to 9, they don't need sand tray again.
What age is supposed to have Sanskrit?
What of you are to pay in my class now?
They are not like,
More than 30.
they are more than 30. Hey, you ask him to buy trade. How much are they selling trade in the house? Trade by 1,000 naira.
I'm collecting bribe.
Okay, you are government school teacher.
I'm collecting bribe.
No, your own case is special case anyway.
I'm the one that lecturing to the students.
But the thing is, if you want to practice, if you want to practice what you are learning, you can write to your authority, telling them, letting them know the advantage of what you have learned. And I don't know how it's done anyway. Then using your own sand tray to introduce to those kids. When they see the benefit of what you are introducing, you are not asking them to go and buy tray for you. They are bringing it from your house. You are not asking them to give you money. Once they bring for their house, say there is sand in the front of the school where they can sieve and put to presentation.
Sorry, on Monday I went for seminar now. After seminar, then I told my parents to supply the materials. And I went to last week following day, use my own money to provide the material to the children. That's it. I'll give them.
Because your own money that you went to use to
Yes,
get
now
material.
look at the materials there. Let me show you now. I went to last one on Tuesday.
I said for the Sanskrit.
Look at it now.
For the Sanskrit.
You see it now.
For nursery, is it compulsory for them to have?
Yes, I went to last on Tuesday. On Tuesday. Look at it now. I use my money.
As far as they are using it in class, they don't want to have it. Just like having notes. Once they have gone beyond learning art, they don't need it. And the one who was 0 to 9, they don't need it again. Because then they are now, they don't need learning. They like it by themselves. So there's no reason why they do it. Okay, please, here we have, what we have here is the addition board. What we have here is the addition board. Now, I need to mention this before we start with the presentation. I need to let us know that the addition cannot go beyond 18. The addition cannot go beyond 18. Why? The reason is because the limitation of the number here is what?
18.
So that means you are limited to 18. So whatever operation you are going to be doing, clinical plus clinical, your answer must not be more than what? 18. Because it is believed that children that are still learning from 0 to 9 are the children that are probably 0 to 9. So 0 to 9 is 9 plus 9 is 18 now. So that's why we have this like this. Now, why do we have red and blue? Basically, I need to tell you this that in numeracy, under numeracy, Montessori under numeracy, you will always come across this color, red and blue. Under numeracy, the major color. It is only when you get to place value that's when you are going to be seeing green. Under where you get to place value, that's when you're going to be seeing. It's going to be representing unit and it's going to be representing thousand. That's when you're going to be seeing it. Otherwise, when you're still talking about this, you are still going to be seeing red and blue. Okay. Now, how do we use this? How do we use the addition board? First thing is, if you want to use the material, this is how these strips. With all these things, we call them the strips. We call them the strips. The strips here in total, we have 1 to 9 here, another 1 to 9 here, and that is 18. So we have 9 blue and 9 red, which gives us 18 strips in total. So 1 to 9. Now, if you want to arrange it, you arrange ahead first. You would have arranged outside the board itself. This is the addition board itself. But you make sure you arrange the strip outside the board first. Now, to make it very easy, sometimes Some people used to have some strips come with number. Some strips come with number. Like this one, and this is number 9, the ninth strip. You can see 9 on it. Don't be surprised when you come across a strip that have number on it. Most strips come with number. You are supposed to have number on this, so that for easy identification. But if you are familiar and conversant with using this material, there's no reason why you didn't know it's number 7, number 5, number whatever. So I want to arrange the strip. I want us to pay good attention to this arrangement of the strip. Now, if this table is wide enough, if this table is wide enough, I would have arranged the red on this right hand here, right hand, and arranged the blue on the left hand. But because we did not have the luxury, we don't have that big space, so that's why I'm arranging it upward like this. So don't believe that it is only arranged like this. It can be arranged like this if you are limited to space, and if you have enough space, you can arrange on the right and on the left. I hope you understand. No, addition. As the name implies, addition board. Addition. And the number must be between the range of 1 and 18. 1 and 18. Let's finish addition. There's subtraction board anyway. Yes. I think I will know that when I introduce it to the number, you understand what you are trying to say. What you're trying to say is that one of this one becomes two of this, two of this. Like that's how it arrange anyway. So now we have this is the addition board itself without anything on it. These are the strips here. Now if you want to introduce students to basic operation such as simple mathematics, you know that's where they used to start from. So let somebody give us a simple mathematics. 2 plus 1. So that means we are adding 2 to 1. So we will look at our strip. In case we do not have number on the strip, you can count. This smallest one is number 1. The next one is number 2. So that means we are taking our what? 2 strip. We are putting it here. Plus 1. Because we don't know want to get ourselves confused. That means we have to take the other addition from the red strip. So 1, which is the number 1 strip, plus 1. So what is our answer? You don't need to look for answer anywhere. This is your answer. Your answer will be right in front of you. The last place the strip is placed on is where your answer is. And 2 plus 1 gives us what? 3. And we are having what here? 3. Do you get it now? So can we give us another
7 plus
0?
7
Okay, I wanted to say 0. Seven plus. So we look for our 7th strip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the number 7th strip. Now I want us to be very, very observant. In case you go and take 7th strip, maybe during the order of this strip you have made a mistake, or maybe one of the pieces is missing, and you want to go and take the 7th strip, and you discover that the 7th strip is resting on top of 8 like this. Just know that you have taken the wrong strip. Don't assume, I think maybe we can work like that. Let's try it first. Don't try it first. It should be on 7 because it's the 7th strip. So 7 plus 4. So let's do for our fourth strip. 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth strip. That means 7 plus 4 gives us 11 here. I don't know if it's the same thing. I don't know if it's the same thing with calculator. Is calculator going to give us 7 plus 4 11? Yes. 7 plus 4 gives us what? 11. So that's why we're having 11 here. So if otherwise, again, you are getting your answer on 12, just know that this thing here has not changed. It means you are picking the wrong strip. Because for you to know you are picking the wrong strip, you can easily pick the strip 1, this one strip here. You can check 1, according to what you are asking the other time. 1, 2, 3, 4. It means 4 of this one is what we are having here, which is the first strip. So, do you have any other question relating to this?
What if you have a number
Plus 0. Now, there is what we use, there's another material called the spindle box. It is used to teach the concept of 0. That 0 means. So if I say 5 plus 0, that means I'm saying 5 plus nothing. It's going to what?
5?
You understand what it is? Before you get to this place, you will have introduced them to the concept of 0. Anything plus 0 is still the same answer because 0 is not. So that's spindle box. It's used for teaching number ordering, quantification of numbers, and concept of 0. So we are supposed to use do, but I believe we have done spindle box now. So that's why I didn't want to mention all of that. So I don't know whether I can answer spindle box or not. That's why I speak it. So, do you have a question related to this? Any other questions? Thank you. So in absence of no question, let's move to what we have for today. So today we are going to be using this what's that big something first? Checkers board. I will round it up here. That's why I said I will round it up here. That's where we are going to use it. Which time is it? That project, have you?
I asked you this one. I'm not going to do it.
No problem. When we are about to start geography class, the geography this thing. It's not that geography. It's not that geography. It should be under cultural. So someone should help me pass it there. It's after Mrs. Corporate. Yes. I think the one I mentioned how to produce it the other time now. That the flex, the what is like the plywood and the tie rod. So that's it. Okay, someone should help me with the checkers. Mrs. Dimba. Help me with the checkers rod is behind me. There's another material there that have that's
No, checkers.
look here. Look here. Straight. No, you have to pick it from home. There's another material there that have all those beads inside. Please, someone should help us with that one. They have beads inside. They have. It's not good. This one, yes, thank you. And there's another one again that have this small tile inside. Small something. Let me check what is another. What is another? Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma. God bless you. Okay. Please let me pass it down. Okay. This is what we call is what we call the checkers board. See, checkers board. Now I want us to notice something on this checkers board. You discover that there's two types of green there. On the normal checkers board, I was not that made that mistake anyway. There's one that's called CMYK. There's one of this color is CMYK and the other one is RBG. If you know about color gradation, you understand what I'm trying to say anyway. So the green is still the same green under different family. So I was not made a mistake when I was, because on the system it's going to show you this one green. It's the one thing when you print it out that you're supposed to know that you're having about 3 different green on your palette. So but it's supposed to be this green. That's what I'm trying to tell you, that it is this blue, red and green. Not that you are going to be getting used to 3 different colors, one other color like that, which is green. So this is called checkers board. It is used for addition, it is used for subtraction, and it is used for multiplication of numbers up to 1,000, millions, hundred of millions, billions, and trillions. If possible. 100 million, billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. Okay, I think it's not about 100 billion. This is not place value. The place value material. So this is checkers board. So it is used to make the addition of thousands, millions, and so on, as I mentioned earlier. Now, before I start doing any operation, let me explain what is each box represents for you, and I want to be very, very observant about it. This first board here, this first box here is units. First box here is the only one that is units. This next box behind it here is tens, and when you drag it up like this is 10. Everything here 1, 2 is 10. This here is 100. 1, 2, 3 is 100. This one here is 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 4 1,000. This one here is tens of thousands, which is 10,000. My hand is this one. Tens of thousands. 1, 2, 3, 4 tens of thousands. This one here is 100,000. 1, 2, 3, 4 hundred of thousand. So in case your bead find himself here, don't go and calculate it as 100. It should be on hundreds of thousands. This one here is million. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's million. Here we have tens of million. 1, 2, 3, 4 tens of million. We have hundred of million. 1, 2, 3, 4 hundred of million. Here is billion. 1, 2, 3 billion. Tens of billion. 1, 2 trillion. 1. Sorry, it should not be trillion. So as somebody who was will correct me. If this one is 100 of million and this one is billion, this one should be tens of billion and this one should be 100 of billion. So 100 of billion.
This material is used for what age?
That's why I was saying the other time that don't assume that mathematics Montessori is just for nursery 1 to nursery like before basic. It goes across other classes, because when I'm saying billion and this thing, you should know which class you're supposed to be doing billion and millions. So from units to 100, like that, you should know which classes. Division of thousand, multiplication. I'm talking. This is not different. Multiplication of thousands. If I say okay, 7,000 times 1 million, 8 million. What students should be doing that one? So that means this material cuts across a lot of classes. As it is here. So if you have this material, you can take it to upper grade. If you are doing, because one thing again is that if you notice that in mathematics, if you resume, you'll be having addition of tens. They might have addition of 3 digits in basic 1. They might have addition of 5 digits in basic 2. They might have addition of 1,000 in basic 5. They might have addition of million in basic. You understand? Like that, and it will be in the same term, the same week sometimes. So this is the material for it. But how do we use the material? That's the next thing we want to do.
I noticed that we got 5 digits also from 5 to the number digits.
Okay, I'm looking at this thing, Abi. Don't look at that one. Don't look at it. It's not, the number of tiles on it doesn't mean anything. The thing is that the places where they belong to is one of the most important things. Now, for you to do this presentation, you are going to need bead. red is for 1, green is 2, pink is 3, yellow is 4, light blue is 5, purple is 6, 7 white, 8 brown, then the 9 is the blue, the deep blue. Okay, also you are going to be needing these tiles, the number tiles. You can get as much as maybe 20, as much as 20. And what do you need as much as 20 for? I did not need this 14 and this 19. I only need one to, I needed one to, just one to, let me bring it. So we are going to be doing addition of, let's start with, do you start with 100 or with million? Or 100 of thousands? Start from 100. We cannot start from units. We already done units with that one. The addition board is for units. That small addition board I use just now. Okay, let's start from units. Someone should give us the digits. And one thing again is that before you start this thing, you will need to jot out everything you want to do, which is the addition. You need a paper like this. You write out your operation. The reason is because in case the journey gets off and the water want to pass the garri, so you know where to pour back to. So what we have here, what do you say we should add?
8.
We can't start with units. You say we start with 100. Okay, how much 100 for us?
100.
100. What number now? You are afraid to call 700, 875? 875. Okay, we should for multiplication first. Let's start from addition, please. Let's start from addition. 875. 875 plus 250. I want number that have carry 178. That one have a lot of carryover. So what we are doing here is 875 plus 178. Okay, very good. Now, that's where we are going to need our bit. Now, 800. We will need the 8 bit, which is the brown. 8. Under what value do we place it? Under 100. I can place it here. I can place it here. I can place it here. Don't forget it's still the same thing. 78. The 7 will be under what? 10. So we are looking for 7 to be under 10s. 7 is under 10s. I can put that one here. And 75. 5 is under what? Units. So we put 5 under units. Plus 178. So 1 will be under what?
100.
Normally we are supposed to start arranging from units anyway. We are supposed to start arranging from units. The 8 units, 7 like that. 7 is under what? 10. Then the other one which is called 8. 8 is under units. 8. 178. 8 is under units. Now this is what you are going to do. In case you have something like this, that you can see that I've already put them in 2 different places. When you now want to add them together, you have to bring everything back to the closed door like this, where you can have your hand on them. Even though it's 3 numbers, maybe I will want to add another number under it again. Maybe it's 3. 1 here, 1 here, you still pack everything back to this place. After this one, we'll do another addition. You understand what I'm saying? So now let's start from units. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 gives us tens. The other 3 will fall under units. Do we confuse anybody? Thank you. Let me. What do you add? Don't do you add it now? 5, okay.
5 plus
8. Should we start from there? From units. I'm calculating from units now. Maybe you stand up so I can see what I'm starting from. So this is 8, 9. I'm starting from unit 2. 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 gives us 110, 3 units. So that means we are going to be putting 1 under 10 and 3 under units. So, are we on the same page now?
Yes.
Now let's move to under tens. We already have what we have here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 gives us what?
110.
You cannot give us 105 units. Don't forget about under 10. Gives us 150. Because we are under tens. Okay, let me make it very simple for you. We are under tens. Wait first, don't worry. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. Have you speaking with civil language like this now? Let me see, put me down again. We have already sorted unit out. Now we have moved to tens. Now, when we calculated all this bit here, the easiest way, let me use the easiest method. It gives us 15. We have 15 bits, which tells us that we are going to be having 1 alongside with 5. But we cannot put the 2 of them in the same place. So that means 5 will remain here, and 1 will go to the one next to it, which is 100. Because 150, this is 5. This 5 is representing 10, under 10, which is 50. Because we are under units. Under 10. Now the next one we are now going to is under 100. Okay, this is what will happen. Let's sort this one out now. Then I'll call a very big digit for the next one. You understand it? Now we have under 100 here. We have 1, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. My people will say 1,000. 1 will now be under where? 1,000. So indirectly, our answer will be under 1,000. We have 1. 1. Nothing is here, so we represent this place with 0. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 here. Here we have 3. So indirectly, our answer gives us 1,053. You don't understand me. You don't understand me. Yes. I know. So we have 3, we have 5, we have 0, we have 1. 1,050. Now this is what I want to do now. Please permit me to do this. The easiest way for you to understand it better, this is what I want to do. Okay, let me leave it at that. Okay. What we are doing now is called random addition. Now, look at the board. What we have here is random addition. Everything we have here, we want to add them together. It's called random addition. Don't forget I told you that as far as they are all under the same line, you bring them close to each other. So here, we have only one here, which is 3. Here we have 2, we bring them close to each other. Here we have 1, 2, 3, we bring them here. Here we have 1, 2, 3 as well, we bring them here. On that side we have 1, 2, 3, we bring them here. On that side we have 1, 2, 3, we bring them here. So that means our answer falls under our equation falls under 100 of thousands.
Sorry, sir, I have a question.
Okay.
They say the concept
Those
of
cube, are they
This is what?
in
Okay. Okay, what do you say? Yeah.
the cubes? Are they in
Do you have any cubes here?
each?
This one?
The checkers.
The checkers were okay.
Are they in cross section? What pattern are we using to?
Sorry, you belong to this class, I mean? I will address this thing later, don't worry. Your question later. Sorry. I will address it because the question I asked you there, because this, I think I introduced this earlier, but it's like we are supposed to take it from the stage with your class, so just take it as a bonus class so that when you want to have this, we'll have a little money. So let's start from other units. We have what we have here. What do you have here? So that means we are representing our answer here with 3. It's random addition. Don't forget I didn't call it number. Just place number here. Now, for you to understand how the answer transfer to each other, that's what I want to use. That, now, what do you have here? What breed is this? This 6. 6, 7, 8. Now, I'm supposed to be using 70, 80. I'll show you. You should use that one. Do you prefer that one, or we should call it? So this is under, because we are under 10 now. This is 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140. So we are having 100. And 40. So that means 1 is going under where? 100. Why 4 is going under where? 10s. Because we have already mentioned that 140. Now let's go to 100. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000, 1001, 1200, 1300, 1400, 1500, 1600. So that means we have 1000, 1600. That means 1 is going where? 1000. Why 6 is going under where? Are you moving together? Now let's move to another 1000. 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000, 9000, 10,000, 11,000. 11,000. When you go to write 11,000, you write 1, Abi. So that means 1 is going to be under 1,000, while the other one is going to be under tens of thousands. Do you agree with me?
Yes.
Now, another tens of thousand. 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, 60,000, 70,000, 80,000, 90,000, 100,000, 110,000, 120, 130,000, 140,000, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 2,000. 2,000 and
200,000.
200,000, I mean. Hey, confusion is confusing me. 210,000, 220,000, 230,000. 230,000. So 200 and 30,000. So that means this 3 will be under tens of thousands. Why this 2 will be under 100 of thousands? So 200,000 and 30,000. Then we are under 100,000. 100,000, 200,000, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1. So this one is going that way. What do we have under 100,000? So our answer, if we are supposed to write our answer, we have 0 here. We have 1 here. We have 1 here. Where do we have 5? What's this one? 6. We have 6 here. We have 4 here. We have another 3 here. So when we write it outside for pronunciation, you start from 1,000,000 31,000, because we are not is another 100, 643. Do you have any? Zero. 1,031,000. You know, there won't be and. 1,031,600, and you towards the end you say you are using the hand. 643. So do you have any question about this? So somebody is going to come here and help us to do a simple addition, and then they will move to multiplication, and a simple addition. So this is what the person is helping us with. So everybody should get ready for this answer.
Which answer?
As you are doing it, you are telling us the answer. 39,786,529. Then the next one is 1 million, which the answer we get here, you got it now. 1,031,642. 33. I added it. I want to use it for operation. This is simple enough for. That one is under bead pyramid. You don't know this one now. Under bead pyramid. When you are arranging the from the other. So they are sitting outside. So here we go. Here you go. It's very simple. You start from unit, arranging from unit. Everybody's here. Everybody's here to work with you.
From unit. Can I pick any color? Can I pick any color?
What is any color? Yeah, you're not picking any number. Don't forget that each color represents a number. So you're not picking any color. You are picking color of what you are having here. Let me write it bigger.
Just place the answer there.
But she's not placing the answer now. She will be arranging it now. She will work it out.
3 units.
So we have 39,786,529. So you are starting from 9 units.
9.
Okay, the first one.
9 units, yes. You are starting from 4. You arrange one like that. Nine is equal blue.
Okay, like this. Like that. Okay, I'm adding this and this.
That's what you're going to ask me again.
From unit now.
For you to have come here, I believe
You'll be placing it at
see here,
digits.
this is under units. This is under tens. This is under 100. This is under tens of. That's what you are placing. You are not adding here to you. 5.
Under 100. 6 under 1,000. 8 under 800.
Take this thing so I can see. Under million. Now is the blue. under tens of million. You have 3. So now the next number under it, 3 units. Other units. No, don't use that. Don't use that. This is what I have to do. That is you. So I believe she's done with the arrangement, right? Now add it and give us the answer. That's maybe she. Please, you are counting out so that everybody can follow up.
Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is 12. It means 110, 2 units. So I remove those ones. I put this. This represents 110. And
Under 10.
this represents 2 units. So this comes here while this is here. So I move to my tens. 100, 110, sorry, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So it still remains there. 7
And get 7.
7 units. Yeah, 7 tens. So now I want to count in hundreds. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1001. 1100. 1100. So I bring my 1 to my 1000, then 1. Yeah. Use the one. So I want to count in thousands. 1, 2, 3, 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000. So it's not up to 10,000. So I will bring it out and put the one that represents 8. 1, 2, 3.
What everything is.
Tens of thousands.
Let me use this calculator to go and calculate my answer.
10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, 60,000, 70,000, 80,000, 90,000, 100,000. That's 110. So this move here, one step. Okay, I move to my 100,000. This 1, 200, 300, 400, 500, 500, 600,000, 700,000, 800,000. It's not up to one. It's not up to 1 million. So I just leave it there. I will use 8. Sorry.
Brown.
This hundreds of thousands. This 1 million. Okay, 1 million. So 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, 4 million, 5 million, 6 million, 7 million, 8 million, 9 million, 10 million. So I'll move it here. This is my
Tens of millions.
tens of million. Thank you. So I count from tens of million,
10 million,
20 million,
40 million, 50 million.
That one I don't know.
40
40 million. When I represent it with 4.
it represents with 4.
Yes,
Not
I represent with 4. No, yellow.
so
That is 4.
this is 4.
0.
This is 0.
8.
This is 8.
Solar is on no 8. Take it.
Right.
Write it. Give her pen. Let her write 8 on one of the plain. 8. 7.
You will need one more person to come and do this for you. Please do this. Thank you. Mrs. Adebayo, thank you. But what is your answer, Mrs. Adebayo?
Write it down.
Write your answer here for us.
Write it down. Writing it out and
Hello, just write all zero. Write everything out. Then you now put comma. When you write everything out, then you can put comma. Write it out, you can put comma after you are done writing it. What do you have?
I have 40 million, 881,000, 818,172. See, is there one?
Every right.
No. See, okay, let me. It's 81,000.
What do you get?
She said it's 1,000. 818,000.
It's 818.
She's correct.
818,000.
Yes.
172. 40 million, 818,172.
So, my calculator association of engineering radio. You will check the answer from
Yes,
from the
she's
calculator.
correct.
So I want somebody else to do the help us to do the answer. What is it?
She's available here.
Okay. So this is the last operation under addition for this checkers board we are going to be doing. After that, we go on a short break before we start with the other presentation. Okay, please let somebody call the digits for us. So I won't be the one writing the digits every time now. Hello.
1,650,000.
Why you like this one? Why 1 million? Why somebody did 40 million? No. We still have billion, we have 100 of billion, we have up to. The budget was ready million before it's okay, let's start.
Let's do billion.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Billion,
Diane.
2 billion so that it's length.
6 billion. Hello, Madam Dingba.
722 million.
Ah,
722,000. Somebody says another 722,000.
Echo, just arrange.
so the first one I have 1 unit.
The numbers, okay?
6
6
billion.
billion, 872,000,000, 562,000, then 101. The second number is 8 billion, 918,000,000, 559,317.
So I start from the units. For the first one, I have 1 unit. So I place it. Under tens, I have a 0. So I'm not going to put anything. Under 100, I have 1. So under 1,000, I have 2. So under 1,000, I have 6. That's 600. Under 100 of 1,000, I have 5. Under 1 million, I have 2. Under 10 of million, I have 7. This is my 7. Under 100 million, I have 8. This is my 8. Under 1 billion, I have 6. This is my 6.
You need to identify the color of the keys and the number. It's very important. So even at a glance, you already know what represents without even counting. Okay, the other number.
So the other number, under unit, I have 7. This is my 7. So under digit, I have 1. 10, sorry. Tens, I have 1. I place it here. Under 100, I have 3. Under 1,000, I have 9. Under tens of 1,000, I have 5. Under 100 of 1,000, I have 5.
Under
1 million, I have 8. Under tens of million, I have 1. Under 100 of million, I have 9. So under 1 billion, I have 8.
Okay. Abuja. Yeah, you
So from the units, I have 1. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. so I changed it with 8. So I have 1 here. I have under 100. I have 4. So 100, 200, 300, 400. Under 1,000, I have this. So let's see. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 1,000,000, 10,000, 11,000. I have 11,000. So I have 1 and 1. 1 here. So under tens of thousands, I have this. 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, 60,000, 70,000, 80,000, 90,000, 100,000, 110,000, 120,000. So I have 1 and 2. So 2 will be here. No, 1 will be here. So under 100,000, I have this 100,000, 200,000, 300,000, 400,000, 500,000, 600,000, 700,000, 800,000, 900,000, 1,000,000, 1,000,000 and 100.
1,100,000.
Yes. So I have 1. I'll put 1. So under 1,000,000, I have this 1,000,000, 2,000,000, 3,000,000, 4,000,000, 5,000,000, 6,000,000, 7,000,000, 8,000,000, 9,000,000, 10,000,000, 11,000,000. So I'll put 1. So 100, 10 of million,
Tens of million.
tens of million. I have this 1, 10,000,000, 20,000,000, 30,000,000, 40,000,000, 50,000,000, 60,000,000, 70,000,000, 80,000,000, 90,000,000, 100,000,000. So yeah, 100,000,000. So 100,000, hundreds of millions. Yes.
Just finish
Tens of millions.
100 of million.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I thought you just counted tens of million now.
Yes.
So what is your answer then?
100 million.
100. Which bit and which bit was there?
7 and 1.
7 and 1.
Internationally, 1 and 7, right?
I took this.
The bit here, I remember it should be 1 7. 1 and 7. They now added 1 more.
Yes.
So that's everything here should be 1 plus 7 plus 1. That's 9.
9. Counted 1.
That's why you are having a figure here too. There's no need for carrying. And recognizing the bit is very, very important. Once you recognize the bit, there's no. You understand what I'm saying? You already know the answer.
So 100 of million. So we have this 100 million, 200 million, 300 million, 400 million, 500 million, 600 million, 700 million, 800 million, 900 million. So this is 1 billion. 1,100,000,000, 1,200,000,000, 1,300,000,000, 1,400,000,000, 1,500,000,000, 1,600,000,000, 1,700,000,000. I'm going to 1,700,000,000.
Seven. We're looking for seven. Brown is 8. Okay.
Maybe you use that other side.
Yeah, let's count billion.
Let's count
Billion.
billion.
1 billion, 2 billion, 3 billion, 4 billion, 5 billion, 6 billion, 7 billion, 8 billion, 9 billion, 10 billion, 11 billion, 12 billion, 13 billion, 14 billion, 15 billion. 15 billion.
owó ilẹ̀ kó sẹ́kàn tì mí o.
500 million. 10 billion.
Abeg if na put am for my account o.
Okay. How do we place it? Just ask okay. We have 100 million, billion. After billion, what? 10 of billion. 10 of
No, this one is for beginners. For children that don't know numbers like 1 million, 2 numbers, you don't introduce them to the numbers. So now even me that I'm planning to get one. How much for children? No, this one is for kids.
That's the reason why when they learn with this, it sticks.
It's
slow. It's slow, but when you learn, it sticks. I'm thinking.
What did you get, man? 156. Okay. This is
Okay, I don't really.
your comma is just
Oh,
what was I saying? Your comma is just so it's 15 million. 15 million. 900 and 15 billion, 791 billion, 121,480. Budget for treasure. Mr. Lighton, 15 billion, 791,000. Million, 121,480.
Montessori na say I go for
791,121,418. So Miss Ola is on see. You know that I noticed that this one is much more complex, confusing than the simple one we usually do.
simple million.
Like you know the one we just go carry over, do this, carry one, carry this. It's much easier than this. 100 million. You know
It's for upper primary.
but I'm saying when do you use this? When do you use this one?
Upper primary.
Everyone dey ever get do shit and shit and this thing now. Okay, please, one house, one house, one house, one house. You bring someone something, Abi? Okay, hello. 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 Mrs. Angel, hello. Mrs. Angel, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay, now we just use this. I know, we're going to break. That's what I want. Okay, this, close it. Hello, this checkers board, we just use it for addition. Now, as I said earlier, I said it can be used for multiplication and it can be used for subtraction. So I believe we have little knowledge about the addition because I don't believe we all. Because I believe this thing. After today, if I ask somebody to come and present, somebody might be confused again. I'm talking about that. They do that now. But by the grace of God, if I permit course, probably I have the opportunity of taking first period. I will surely want to visit it. So I will suspend it for now. So anytime we want to do revision on it, maybe next week, by the grace of God next week, let's say next week, for addition. So we do the addition only once and we go with the multiplication. The multiplication is one of the simplest ways from anyway. If you even see it, it's way better than their addition and way better than the old method of multiplication. We have multiplication board and we have multiplication but this one, don't worry, we don't have to do it. So that's that on that. Okay, we are going on a short break. Is it too early?
So two now.
Let's finish up.
Yes. Okay, this is what will happen. Hello. This is what will happen. Let me. Hello, please. Let me use this for multiplication and let's call it a day.
Okay, sir.
Can we do that?
Yes.
Thank you very much. Okay. Now, as you have said earlier, you said we should always call our number. We should take the number from simple to complex. And that's what Montessori we should do too. And Yoba also confirmed that. Yoba said you give Pelebe. Why people understand the meaning? I know you are still going to do it now. If you have to time. You have to time. Okay. All right. Hello. Hello.
Hi. Hi. We are with you, sir.
All right. The multiplication, we are going to be starting with 100 of multiplication. And I'm going to be calling a digit of, let's start with 873 multiplied by 9, no, 9 by, okay, let's say 7, or by 5. Let me see, because I want to consider the number of bits we have. 843 multiplied by 5. Multiplied by 5. 873 multiplied by 5. Multiplied by 5. So let's use our bit cabinet to get the answer. 873 multiplied by 5 to get the answer. So which of these color is the 8th bit?
Brown.
The brown, Abby. And which one is the 7th bit?
White.
White. Thank you. And the 3 bit?
Pink.
Pink. So let's start with 3. Since we have just 3. It's 3 we want to start with. So 873. Let's start with 873. Now 873 multiplied by what? 5. That means I'm going to be having my 3 in 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 73. I actually have 7. 7 in 5 times. 7 is this purple, right?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Then 8. 8 is what? Brown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You will notice that I did not put them in the. I just don't put them anyhow. I put them in the right position because unit 3 is under unit. Tens is under 7 is under tens, and 8 is under unit. So that's where I arrange them. Sorry, under 100. 8 is under 100. That's where I arrange them. You want to use it for multiplication? Yes, because you are multiplying it times 5. If it is times 3, that means it's to be 3 places. If it's times 10, that means you have to multiply it by by the number of the thing you are having. Now let's do the. What is it?
I said
Oh,
white.
6 white. Sorry. So 7 is white. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Now let's count very well. We have 3 in 5 here. 3, 4, 5, 6. We assume that we know it. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 means we have what? 1 10 and 5 units. Thank you. 5 units and 1 10. Then let's start with this one. 7 plus 7 14 plus another 7 21, another 7 28, another 7 35 plus 1 36. That means we are going to be having 3 and 6. I mean 3 6. Okay, 3 will fall under what? 100. While 6 is going to fall under tens. Now let's start with the tens code. 8 16 24 32 40 41 42 43. So that means we are going to be having 4 times 3. So 4 will fall where? Under 1,000. Why 3? Because it's 43. 3 will fall under 100. Do you get it right? So that means our answer should be 4,365. 6 tens and 5 units. Association of calculator people. Can you help us check the answer?
4,365.
Are you still correct?
Yes.
Okay. So you can see that it's very, very simple.
Yes. It can be addition.
Yeah, the addition. That's what I'm saying. Like, even though you are looking it in millions, just count the number of this and keep adding like that and that. It's almost like extension addition. Now you are adding addition and you are.
Bigger number.
Let's use a bigger number, okay? Okay.
This one is reducing it. You don't be adding it.
736,000.
You put 5 bits and the number. All of them. 3, 5 bits.
250.
200 and 200. Times what? Okay, hello. Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Let's get the figures, sir.
This is I'm going to change the number. We will change this 5 to 4. The reason is because so that we can use all our 250 is one out of what we have here, so we will get the answer at the end of the video. Let me quickly use this long number and we give one or two people to present and we are done for them. Okay, let's have this like this. Hello. Now let me call the number for everybody. 246 million 736,000 246 million 46 million 736. No, it can't be 736. Let's make it 731, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. Let's say 786,000 250. Open bomb. You know there. Times 8. So we have 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 6. You have 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 6 again. Sorry.
What's the answer there? One.
What's the answer there? So are we using this? Change this 786 to 783. Please change it to 783. The reason why I'm changing it is because we have enough of this one, but you can reduce up to maybe 30 or whatever. But we don't have enough of a particular number, so I don't want to make sure we are out of number. So that's why I'm being careful about it. So we have 246,783,256 times 8. Now let's start with it.
2, 4, 6.
Now 246 783 250.
783
Please, don't get me confused. See it here.
783, the one that is down. 783
246 783 250.
8.
Now,
hello. Now let's start from the first number here. Under units. Anything that 0 is what? Nothing. So that means I'm not representing anything under 0. Under units. Under 10 is 5. How many times?
8.
So these are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Are we together?
Yes.
Under unit. Under 100, we have 2. 2 in 5 places. Please, this is I'm to bring
2
those
minus
two
2
there.
is 10. 10.
No, I'm not doing it.
The green, right?
Yes, the green. No, those for someone else. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Let me to bring one of those ones on the one from that one. No, the one they used to put the hand on that issue. That one they found. Yes. So I already have 2 of this. Then the next one is 3. Let me to remove this 2 of it. 2 line. The whole line 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
One more.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 of this. Then let's move to under tens of thousands. We have 8. 8 in 8 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But we can put it here first. It's still the same thing. Then we have 7. Then we have what again? 6. 1, 2. But you're really funny. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4. We have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now, unfortunately, I have only 2 here for 2, and I have how many? How many is that place? I'm going to remove that 3 to make it 5. That pink, yes. So 5. Then from the flat, I'm going to bring 2 from that flat. Thank you. I'll make it 8. And what is going to put down here? 5, 6, 7, 8. And what are programs? This is in the market. God is our strength, okay? In God, our Lord, everything is. God bless everyone. Okay, now let's start with the addition. We have bead here. We have 5 bead. This is the 5 bead. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which gives us what? 4, 0. So that means we are going to be putting 4 under tens of that, under 100. And we are going to put in under tens. Okay? Now let's move here. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we have 2 0. We are carrying 2 here. And we are believing this one empty handed. Now let's move here. 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. That means we are having 6 here and we are having 2 here. So 6 and 2 here. Okay. Under this place you are having 8 plus 8, that's 16, plus another 8, 24, plus another 8, 32, another 8, 40, another 8, 48, another 8, 56, another 8, 64. So that means you're having 6 under here, and we're having 4 here. 64, 65, 66. Then we are having double 6. 6. Ah, you are short of 6. Help us to look at that pink. That purple one.
They come out for my leg.
Wetin
dey come out? Now my egg don dey go online. Who get time?
That's the reason why they will put it. They will put it.
This thing is good for children.
But the body is up to you. Come out, you right? Because you money.
No, everything for art. But that does not mean that they will not do it, but they may not write it in jam. They may not write in jam.
Okay, hello. So we have 6 under here, and we have 6 here too. Now, what do we have here? We have 7, 1, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62. So 6 here and 2 here. So 62, 6 is here. So hello, please. We are going to be calling up. We are going to run up after this class. But 2 people are going to present for us. 2. I already have those 2 people. Mrs. Tinga and Mrs. Tottenham. No, you present it. No. Let's do that. You are dividing my classes. You have to present. We have this 6, 12, 18, 24, 50, yeah.
48, 54.
50, 40, 54. 54. So that means you are having 4. If you shout tomorrow, you are supposed to go and use 5. Then we have 4 here. 1, 2, 3.
12.
So that's 4. 3, 12, 16. 20, 24, 28, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37.
3 and 7.
3 here.
No, 3 there.
Sorry, 3 here.
7. Yeah.
7 here. Let's have 3. 1, 2, 3. That's 12. 9. 1, 2, 3 again. That's 18. Plus 3. That's 21. Plus 3. That's 24. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So you have.
Hey, Mr. Lighter, please. 3 and 7.
3 and 7.
7 will be here. 3 will be there.
Is that 7 of it?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, let's do 73. So wait first.
18 plus
73.
9 plus
37.
36 plus the other one. 4. That's 7. 6, 9 plus 9.
18
Plus another 9. 20. Plus another, that's 27. 28, 29, 30. So that means under this place is 0. And 3.
It's 37, but he did 73. He has corrected it now.
I'm already done.
What's the answer? The answer is going to billion. That's the answer. Because the beat is up now. The beat is up.
Association of calculation.
Let's finish and
To 3 billion.
Last one,
Finish. Correct. It's correct with a light.
let's continue now.
Did you change that number to instead of 2? Before you said 200 and 46. Did you change it to 3?
no.
No. You are doing that.
Wait.
You are sweating now.
Who brings this digit come?
Okay, I changed it to 3, 37, 34, 30. That last number. Yes. I understand what she's asking. Yes, this one was changed to 3 because we did not have 2. So what we used here was 3. I changed it to 3.
So is there any
Okay, you didn't change it for paper.
So if I didn't change it on the paper, still this is our question. So our question.
2467 8650 times 8.
This is our question.
This is the answer
3,
here.
4, hello. 3, 4, 6.
Oh, is it 3?
Yes. 3, 4, 6, 7,
8,
8, 3, then 2, 5, 0. The reason why I changed this from 2, it was 2 that was here before, was because when I checked it, I discovered we don't have enough 2 again. So we decided to use 3. So times 8. Association of Obama Yeho. Please help me to check.
1, 6, 7, 8, 3, 2, 5,
Let me see.
According to my answer here, I have. Okay, let me write the answer. Let me write the answer out. Hello.
billion.
Let's.
The answer is 2777.
Let's write the answer out. Under unit, we have what?
Yes, 0.
Under tens.
0. 100. 0.
Under 100.
0.
Comma. Under tens of thousands.
We have
1,000.
6.
Under tens of thousands.
We have 6.
Under hundred of thousands.
We have 2.
Comma. Under
4.
million.
4.
Under tens of millions.
We have 7.
Under hundred of millions. 0.
0.
Then under billion.
We have 3.
Let me see. Let me see your question.
No, it's not correct. Mine is 2,774,266. Then 0000. But it's just a piece of the person that brought this digit, make it go sit down.
We have 5.
No,
List of being given to Shelley.
we know one start from ground, no, and Vivian, they go Korea.
That means the answer was initially it was correct.
Yes, it was from
Before I
here.
choose it.
And somebody else will come and
No.
Nisha says.
No problem now.
No, somebody
Hello.
will come and
Hello.
come and present.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello. Hello, let's make it very simple. Miss Zimba. we are working around millions.
Clap for
Let me
her.
help you.
Oh, baby, clap your hand, clap your hand, clap your hand. You look like angel.
Let's let it present after me.
Ah, yellow is beautiful. Oh, ma. Please,
I need just 4 digits now.
my possibility.
Somebody should help me call this for her.
Hello, can somebody call digits for me? Just 4 digits now.
Hey, what?
You millions look like an angel.
My
Angel, princess.
Angel gossip.
Angel, princess.
Is it a million or billion?
Trillion.
Too small.
Multiply by 3.
Too small number. Look at me. Too small number.
But most people are giving me a number. 177, 177,260.
So that 177.
Multiply by 2. Are we together?
Don't have 7 and don't have double. Change the number.
Okay. So I'm working with 167, 263.
Or you put that 7 and you just put
3. Yes, multiply by 3. Starting from the unit, right? So what's on our unit side? 3. So bring out 3 in 3 places. And place it at the unit side. Under our test, we have 6. Therefore, we'll bring out 6 in how many places? 3. Correct.
the boy self, Natisha.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Sorry, 3 places. Sorry. 1, 2, 3. Under the 100, we have what? 2. Therefore, bring out 2 in 3 places. 2 is the green color bit. Under 1,000, we have what? 7. 7, yes. So we're going to bring out 7 in 3 places. That of tens of thousand is what? 6. So we'll bring out 6 into 3 places. 6 in 3 places, yes. Thank you, ma'am. You're distracting my class, so you serve punishment now. And the last is what? 1. Therefore, we'll bring out 1 in 3 places. Yes, I'm asking. Are we all ready? Let's solve the problems together. Let's go. This is 3 plus another 3 plus another 3. 9. So we'll replace it with 9. 9. On the 10th, we have, let's stand together. This is 6 in 3 Okay, 100. 100. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 400, 500, 600, 700. That is 7. We're going to represent it with 7 beads. Who will write the names of noisemaker in this class? Under the thousand we have what? 7 times 3. So 7, 14 and what? 21. So I'll be the body 2 and 1. 1 and 2. Okay, yes. 1. Place our 1 on the 100 box. On the 1,000. Then move the 2. Move the 2 to the 10th of 1,000. Now let's stand together. You are stressing your class teacher. Let's stand together. 1, 6, 6, 12, and what? 18, 19, 20. Because we have 20, this place will be 0. I will move our 2 to the other box. Yes. Now let's stand together. We have 2, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Thank you. 500. So let's write out the numbers. 5. Start. Under the unit we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Under the tens we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Some people are not just listening. And this will come out in your exam. Under the 100 we have another 8. Under the 1,000 we have 1. Under the tens of 1,000 we have what? 0. So it's represented with nothing. And under the hundreds of 1,000 we have what? 5. Now let's write out our answer. 50189.
Correct.
Are we all correct? So clap for me.
Clap for us.
See you next time.
Mr. Light,
Next person.
class of